Well, Dennis here, JD here. This is a test on a Sunday trading, which um, it's based on price behavior near to the close of the prior session. That would be Friday, and Friday closed up here, right up there, and Sunday open at 7063.75, and I'm talking about Nasdaq futures, and price went all the way up. I was able to catch that short trade at that level there. When I saw that from the open it jumped all the way up, leaving some empty prices up there down here. So I saw a pretty good fight at this point. As you can see here, there were some kind of volume went there, so they were protecting that level. And for me, the important thing is if price manages to stay below this 7066 25 level, and we manage to open another period there, or if we break down this low near the open, that means price it's trying and pushing to go lower, and that's what I'm given some breathe time and space to breathe. We have an open and live position into an account right now, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna protect that to the point of control, to the BPOC. That volume point of control was up there. I had the stop loss there, and I have moved that to the point of control for TPO. So that will be 70.75. Now I just want to be sure to understand where this market wants to go and where buyers and sellers are fighting. Remember that right now we are just the retail traders against the computers. There is no professional money being traded today. It's a Sunday, so we don't, and I don't expect that to happen today, and not until Asian session opens, which is going to be about a half an hour. So that's my take. Initially, I thought this price could have gone all the way up to this level here. That's 7083, and I could have set a stop loss, a pending short trade, sell limit trade up that point, and also I could have done that with going all the way up to the high, but since I didn't sell, that price went higher, and I saw kind of volume there. That's what I sold at this level, 77.25. Now we are managing to stay below this level here, and price is trying to dig its way down. I don't see any interest in selling down here. It's trying, but I don't see price follow through. But I need to, set my mind to remember that this is a Sunday movement, so I need to do that and be patient. My target to the lower side could be this naked point of control down here. It could be that, or I could aim all the way down to this low down here, to that low there. That's also a possibility, but I don't have a target at this moment. I just have this stop loss here. So I'm trying to give some room and understand and see what the price do at this moment, and what do amateur traders trying to buy, and computers selling at every buy contract that comes into the market. Also, this can jump all the way up and took me out. So we don't know. That's the beauty of this markets. You don't know what's gonna happen. You don't know what to expect. You just have to prepare yourself and protect yourself. I'm just playing here. I mean, what I'm trying to say is it's a Sunday. It's a test trade, and I do that almost every Sunday. I can, so I can test my theories with live market with this account, which I don't have any mind problem losing what $200, $300, $400. So that's why. If this market goes back above this level here, the close of the prior session, that could indicate that all the pressure that we're experimenting right now, it's to the upside, and that could prepare the overnight session to go up. And that's a very interesting thought, because we have this test all the way up to 70.95.25. So price is trying to go up, and that's quite interesting. So that's fine. And also we have some levels down here. So there is another naked point of control. Price is trying to go up. It's testing that level again, as I said. And I expect to see some fight around this level. So that's what's happening. As you can see, there is a lot of contracts being transacted here. 108, 108. And also the open has been challenged. The open has been challenged, and right now we have this zone here. So let's see what happens. I don't need to move my stop loss right now, because I just want to give him enough room. I know that traditional market profile teaching says that price could reverse and go back up. But as I see the 5-minute chart, and I see the volume, I see that it's trying to test again that, and it's been testing. And also the value area, yeah, it's right there at 7065.25, the value area low, sorry. And we have that level there, 7066.25, and the BWAP is up there, so that's interesting. If this thing goes back up, it will try and look the BPOC 707200, and then we'll go up there to the value area high and try to break that high, which was pretty intensive at the opening. If not, they are trying to, if that is not the case, as we saw here, they came and tested that twice, here and here, and so they're gonna try to go down and break that low of 7061.25. And then it will be a very interesting move to the downside, since we have the value area high of the prior session, we have the BWAP of the prior session down here, we have the BPOC of the prior session too at 70.42, and then we have the value area low and a low. So we have a pretty good, if prices tries to find value in the prior session, price will go down to look at this zone here. So that's something we have to be very, very cautious at. And yeah, it's challenging that low. I don't see any strength there. Point of control has not been moving, so it's steady there. It's trying to challenge that 70.61.25 is not being challenged yet. We'll see what happens when that's been tested. Remember that we have low contracts there, and we have another set of high volume here. So I'm gonna move that point. That's a high volume node for this precise day and time. It's a Sunday, remember, and now we've broken that low and establishing new lows. High volume has come in, it's been into it, and now we're going to challenge that value area high for the prior session, and we're going to see what prices do at that very same level. If prices go and test that and return back up, that means that they could be trying to sell higher prices to attack again that value area high level, and you know, make its way all the way down to the VPOC of the prior session. So we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna pause the video now and let you know how it develops in a moment. So as I said, prices went down to test this value area high, went shy, so a couple of ticks. It's been going back up. As you can see, we have that value area high of the volume up here. So it's been challenged, and we'll see now. I'm seeing very high contract exchange here at this level, at this price. So that's gonna mean something. I'm gonna go lower with the point of control, protecting this profit. I'm not trying to get rich. I mean, with this trade, I'm just trying to show you the way I trade market profile combining with volume profile, BPOC and TPOs or MPs or whatever you want to call it. That's normal for me because price was rejected at this level. There were no enough sellers, so they need to bring the prices back up to attract buyers, and then they start to sell. That's why you see this high volume exchange here, right there. And so that's what I'm looking for. So if the price jumps back up, it needs to break this zone here. We are already at the low of the value area at 70.62, and we are right below the 70.66.25, which was the close. If you want, I can fix that just for you to see at the right number. 25. Yeah, in my 5-minute chart, what I'm seeing is that prices went back up, looking for buyers, and then they try not sell, so they're preparing themselves to tag this value very high level, and they need to penetrate that. So let's wait to see what happens. I'm sure that if this is not broken, we're gonna see a jump back up all the way to the point of control. In this case, it will be the TPO POC, or market profile point of control, and not the VPOC, or the volume point of control, because that's up there, because that's where the most traded volume happened. Remember, we are combining market profile with market profile with volume profile. So I'm looking at both at the same time. The midline, it's there, so price is well below the midline, but it's not going down, so that could be an indication that the price could go all the way back up. So let's be patient and protect this. If we are proven wrong, the price will go all the way up. B period has opened right there, so we're gonna see if B period has enough strength to go all the way back up or to go down. So let's wait. So B period has gone up a bit, down a bit, but is not able to break A period low. So that's interesting. Now we are in a slow mode. Since Sunday, it's Sunday trading. It's pretty. You don't know what to expect here, man. You don't have the whole system trading. You just have a couple of traders. As you can see, the volume, it's very low. It's just 2,000 contracts. Imagine, this is Nasdaq, so it's accumulating down there. I could see a move up to that point to test up there. So I think we have to be cautious. I mean me. I'm the one trading a live account, one of my accounts live, and yeah. So in a 5-minute, in my other chart, it's testing support 2. Let me show you that. And this chart is testing this support. If it breaks that, this is hourly pivot points, by the way. What else do I see? Well, first of all, thing has been doing not that good. If I move this to the top, it was there, it's gone down. If I measure this high to that low, we are in the 70 something or 60 something Fibonacci thing. Yeah, 61.80 and trying to go up. So probably the market overall is trying to go and break and hit 76.40%. That will be 7294.09, whatever. So here is your weekly chart. Everything pointing up. We need to break go all this way up here to break the yearly high. It's not the yearly high, no, it's October the 5th, yes. And this is the monthly chart. That high was established in August 2018. So this is the other chart. As you can see, it's supporting itself at support 2 in the hourly pivots. Right. So let's wait. I see very small interest there, so probably will go back up. As I said, value area high has not been challenged, it's been respected. So yep, that's B period. Let's wait and see what this thing brings. I moved my stop loss to the mid of the session at 7068.75. I'm just trading one contract. If this thing take me out, it's gonna take me out with, I don't know, let's measure that. That's 77.25 with 775, $170. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 170. If I move that to the price close, that will be 220, and probably I'm gonna leave that at 200 so I could move my stop loss, because probably this thing will go up. But since we don't know, we're not sure, we don't know the future, so yep, moving higher. See 160, 123. It's challenging that there. I'm going to move this TPO as a bar, show bars. Yeah. Yep, it's reversing itself, testing again that value area low for the B, for the volume profile. One up, yeah, it's going up, challenging that. So we're gonna wait to see what happens at this zone, and then we're going to decide where this thing, what to do with our trade. That's the most important thing. Right. Yeah, price is not interested right now in going down. It's going to challenge that price. Yes. So we don't want to leave money in the table, but sometimes you have to understand how markets work. I mean, what I'm saying is you need to give them some space to the trade, since there was no enough interest to bring the prices up, and then went all the way down. Open was broken, so you have to do and take decisions. So my decision at this moment, seeing this and understanding that we are going to the pivot point for the hour, and that's what is being challenged, that thing can find sellers and then reverse down, or we could be taken out, and that's it. What you can do, you can't do anything. I don't like to get in twice during Sunday, so if I don't get in right at the open, I'm not gonna get in again, because this for me is just it's a test trade, and what I'm testing here, it's my theories and location and the price close for the prior session, and if the price stays below that level, that means one of two things: or we are going short back to the value zone, or we are gonna have a balanced overnight session for Sunday. So that's what I don't know, and I'm not sure. For tomorrow, I normally don't record my trades during weekdays. I don't have that time. What I do is I leave my pending orders and I go and do my thing, my stuff, and then I come back and take a look at them, at the trades, and see what happens. So, yep. Again, testing that level there. This here, we have another bar open. Let's see if this bar goes and challenge that high and tries to break up. If this thing starts to go down, well, we'll see. We'll see. So, yes, this level has been challenged now. If we break back up, we are gonna be stopped out. And there is no problem with that. Or price can test the VWAP and then go back down. See, B has been trading there. So let's wait. So my theory is that if price stays below this level, that's the price where it closed the prior session. We are gonna have an overnight inventory short, but if it stays above, we could have an overnight inventory long. So this will help me next day to understand if those trades were from amateur traders or if we have some other time frame traders. If we break back up that level and Z opens, it's about to open in 15 minutes. So if C opens above, we will be probably stopped out. If price goes down, that means that the VWAP was challenged and then we are expecting to go down. So that's what we have to do, wait.
Order filled.
Yeah, okay, so we were stopped out right there. As they said, I'm not gonna trade again. I don't know what's gonna happen now. As you can see, price went down, went back up. See the midline here? Yeah. I could trade if I see price breaking up, then testing down the midline and then go along there. But not at this moment. So this is for now. I just wanted to show you that. I hope this helps someone. Thank you.